Hello guys, welcome back to our channel MNC Community. So guys, today I have brought you a beginner card trick that you can easily learn and you can show it to everyone. So first I will give a deck the refill shuffle. Just mixing up the cards. A spectator to choose any of the card. So for instance, he chooses this one. Okay. Now you can have a look at this card. I will not gonna see this card. Okay. But in this trick I will see this card because something crazy will happen. I will take this card and place it between the center. Just like this. And just give a deck a shuffle. Now I'll just spread the deck and you have to see where your card is. Just over here, your card is in between two cards, and these two cards are the jokers. So guys, that was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe the channel and let's get on to the tutorial. Guys, for this trick you require two jokers and you need to control these jokers at the top of the deck somehow you like. So first, see this. A hot shot, yeah. If you want to learn cardistry stuff, please comment down below. We will make tutorials. So take these two cards and place them at the top of the deck. You can shuffle the deck, but you have to keep this card at the top. Okay. So I'm just giving a deck a refill shuffle. Okay, just maintaining these two cards at the top. Then you may allow him to choose any of the card. For instance, this one. Okay. Now you need to get a pinky break between the first card, just like this. And it will create an illusion that you are keeping the card in center of the deck. Okay. So what you're gonna do, maintain these two jokers at the top and get a pinky break and place this card over here, just like so, face up. For this tutorial purposes, I am placing the joker facing up and this card facing down. Okay, just like so, the card gets between these two cards. Okay, now just you need to give deck just a cut simple. Okay, a swing cut also, and then you can see between these two jokers the spectator card will be. Okay, one more. Now I'll be placing these two jokers just like so, facing down. This is the spectator selection, getting a pinky break between the first card. Okay, placing it between these two cards by getting a pinky break. Okay, you have to place this card face up. Okay, for this trick, placing it, swing cut. Okay, give this deck a swing cut. Now you can see the spectator selection will be between these two cards and these two cards will be the jokers. So guys, that was the trick and next video will be of cardistry. So you can comment down below that what cardistry stuff you wanna learn. Okay, so goodbye.